Hey guys, it's Aaron from B-Dub Monkeys. So today we're going to be installing some T5 side repeaters. These are the smoked LED version, which I've got with me just there. That's them there. So I'm going to unbox these and compare them to the normal ones so you guys can see. These are available on our website. I'll post the link in the description. Right then guys, so I've just unboxed the smoked LED side repeaters. As you can see, I'll just pull this out of its box. So that's how it comes. And what I've done already, just to show you, is it actually comes with a rubber seal and a bracket here. That's so it locks in on the back of the side repeater. So these bits just here. So the rubber seal, you can see that probably, it just goes around there. See that lip? The rubber seal just sits in around there. This then connects into the back of the side repeater. It's quite tight. Push it in, rotate it a quarter of a turn, and you end up like that. Okay, so what we're going to do now is, I'll tell you what actually, before we go and fit them, I have just taken one out so we can compare it. I'm sure you all know what they look like, but we'll do it anyway. It's a bit hard to do on here, let's put it up in the box. So that's our old chrome slightly misted one compared to the new LED smoked. So say these are also available in chrome LED and sequential. We'll be doing another video for the sequential one so you can see it in all its glory. Right, I'll go put the camera in place and I'll fit these and show you what it looks like. Right then guys, as you can see, we're outside the van. Set indicator just here. Here's our new LED one, LED smoked. So what I'm going to do is put this down for a sec, and I'm just going to remove the existing side repeater with a trim removal tool that I have handy here. What I'm going to do is simply push on the back end here. There's a spring just here and a hook this end. So you just push on the spring and the indicator will pop out. Just like that. Not too hard at all. Just put that down. So, I need to separate. Let's put it aside. There we go. Separate the old indicator from the loom. Just place that down out of the way. Remove the existing bulb. And now for the fun bit. So, as you can see here, I've already placed the seal and the bracket in. So like I said before, you just rotate the back. So this goes into this, but it'll only work one way round because it's LED. So we'll see if I can get it right first time. It can be a little bit fiddly. So that is now fully connected. So again, spring end on this side. So we'll see if we can get it in one. So push that end in first. Push that in nice and solid. Alright, let's give it a try. First try. It's a warm one here. Right, let's get you a little bit closer so we can see it. Alright, just move the camera so you can get a better look at it. So there she is. It's this smoked LED side repeater, also available in silver chrome. Link will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.